Hello, I am coming in front of you with some of the numericals problems regarding with mole concept. Question is in front of you, how many moles are 5 gram of calcium? If atomic mass of calcium is 40 unit, then we come to the solution. 1 mole of atom, 1 mole of atom equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass, 1 mole of Ca equal to 40 gram. Therefore, 40 gram of calcium equal to 1 mole of calcium. Therefore, according to question is that how many moles are 5 gram of calcium? 40 gram calcium equal to 1 mole of calcium. Therefore, 1 gram of Ca equal to 1 by 40 mole of Ca, or 5 gram of Ca equal to 1 by 40 into 5 mole of Ca. Therefore, 1 by 8 mole of Ca. .125 mole. The shortcut method of the same questions. Question is how many mole of 5 gram of calcium if their atomic mass is 40 unit. Number of mole of the atom, number of mole of the atom equal to mass of the atom in gram. Mass of atom in gram by molecular mass of the element. Molecular, not gram atomic mass. Atomic mass of element, that is 5 gram upon 40 gram equal to 1 by 8 equal to 0.125 mole. Another question in front of you. Question 2. Calculate the number of iron atom in a piece of iron weighing 2.8 gram if atomic mass of iron is 56. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन कहता है कि यदि आयरन का कोई पीस है जिसका वजन 2.8 ग्राम है, जबकि उसका एटमिक मास ऑफ आयरन इज 56 यूनिट. चलें, 1 मोल ऑफ आयरन इक्वल टू 1 मोल ऑफ आयरन इक्वल टू ग्राम एटमिक मास ऑफ आयरन, ग्राम एटमिक मास ऑफ आयरन. Therefore that is the given mass, that is the given mass, that is 56 gram. One mole of iron element contain 1 mole of iron element contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of iron, atoms of iron. Therefore 1 mole of iron element contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of iron. Therefore 56 gram of iron, their weight is 2.8 gram, but their molecular value, mole value is 0.22 into 10 to the power 23 iron. Hence 1 gram of iron equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 by 56 gram, or here the given mass is 2.8 gram. Hence 2.8 gram of iron equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 by 56 gram into 2.8 gram. Or the solution of this relation will be therefore 28 gram of iron contain the atom that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon 2.2, or we may write it 10 that is 2. Therefore, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 23 minus 1 by 2, that is 3.011 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. 22 atoms. Hence, a piece of iron metal having the mass 2.8 gram that contains 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Now,